Pilipinas, and after a start made in heaven para sa Gilas Pilipinas, we have settled for a 24-16 lead as we open the second quarter of action. Margin po, kasama natin si Eric Reyes at ang buong puwersa ng inyong Sports 5.
Well, the first quarter was really all Gilas Pilipinas. Ang ganda ng ating pagsisimula doon. Pinlangko natin ang India because of all that shots coming from the outside. If you, nakita nga natin yung stats, above 50% field goal shooting, both 2 and 3 points. And ano bang tira yun, Magu? Pasay at assist to the ring.
Pumasok yun. 3-pointer pa.
Kaya nga, assist to the ring nga yung nangyari.
Atid pa rin sa atin ang Thunderbird Platinum pagdating sa Palawan, di maunahan. As Gary David gives us instant offer. Pumasok si Gary dito, pinalitan si Paul Lee.
Well, that's a good cut by a good locate by Jumar Fajardo.
Nice stop by Fajardo. Dillinger to Gary behind the back. Hinahanap sana si Junmar. A little too fancy para si Gilas. So just a 7-point lead now para sa ating national men's basketball team. Brigavanchi na naman. Kasi ito talaga yung kamador nila.
Yun na nga, nagkamali nga si JD ng kanyang depensa because he cheated over that. He didn't fight over the screen.
Gary for 3, punches it through. Atin sa atin yan ang Thunderbird Platinum. Pagdating sa Paluan, hindi maunahan.
Gary David is one of those players so when he gets a good start and gets a good rhythm, sana nga magtuloy-tuloy na para kay El Granada ang hot shooting start.
Balik sa 10 ang abante ng Gilas. Inahabot dito kay Junmar. Itong si Siva Kumar, akala niya may opening siya.
He's a completely different player now with the way he was playing in his first international competitions. Ngayon makikita mo si Junmar, he's active, he has more confidence. It really develops over time because of the number of games that he has played internationally.
Medyo weird din na si Coach Chot lang yung nakikita mo sa bench dahil mga player natin nasa likod ng advertising board.
Nasa likod. Ganun yung setup ng kanilang gym, no? Yung advertising nila is on the floor before the players.
At least hindi sila pwede manggulo dito sa harap. Hindi sila mawawarningan ng improper bench decorum.
Kaya nga layo.
Pagka lumundag ka pa dyan, talagang mate-technical ka na.
Oh, mataas-taas din yan, ha? Oh, Junmar Fajardo with a nice face-up jumper.
31-19 is the score. Just over 2 minutes having gone by in the second frame. Oh, nice pass. Pabalik dito kay Joginder.
Excellent give and go play. Number 4, Joginder with that nice give and go.
Cebuana assist yan. Hatid sa atin ng Cebuana Luwilier. Parang ikaw mismo ang nagbigay ng perang padala. Ako ba kailan mo ako padadalan? Parang ikaw ang nagbigay. Junmar whistled for steps.
Mauna ka muna magpadala sa akin. Kasi babalik ko rin sa'yo.
Punta ako sa Cebuana mamaya. Tatanong ko kung may padala ka. 31-21. Itong India has definitely settled down. What will it take to blow them off the court at this point, Eric?
Well, first of all, we have to make stops on transition. We're forcing them to go out of control. Pero yun nga lang, hindi natin pipigil yung mga last second attempt.
Amjuyot brings them to within 8 points. Oh, nice two-man game. Jimmy to the Kraken, and he gets the roll.
Junmar Fajardo having a good start here in this game. Matagal-tagal lang inupo natin si Marcos Dautit, and Junmar Fajardo has been taking charge.
This Tornado Drive is brought to you by Photon. Empower your business. Another 3-point play opportunity para sa main man ng San Miguel Beermen.
Tandaan natin na after FIBA Asia, nag-MVP siya. I won't be surprised if he comes up with another great performance sa pagbabalik niya sa PBA.
Should be the 6th point already for Junmar Fajardo. Bonus free throw atid sa atin na Cebuana Luwilier. Basta pera, ipa Cebuana. Joginder. Iikot nila papunta sa kanan. India looking for the opening. Pethani with that leather gets it back to Joginder. Back to Pethani. Step back jumper. mismo.
You know, they're very patient with their offense. Kaya hindi mo rin basta-basta talaga mapipigil because buti sana kung one-shot attempt, kagaya nga ano ikinagagalit ng kanilang coach in the first quarter.
Jimmy on the attack, locates Gabe. Diubra, look at Junmar snatch that leather away. He's fouled on the rebound play.
He's like a man on a mission here, really trying to prove that he's one of the best, you know, players in Asia.
All 24 years old of Junmar Fajardo, definitely the future of Philippine basketball.
Exactly, and that's really something really exciting for me, you know, to really watch him excel in international competitions. And maybe kung mabibigyan tayo ng pagkakataon na bumalik sa World Championship level.
Sinabi naman ni Coach Chot Reyes yan, na sa kanyang pananaw, ang future of Philippine basketball will revolve around three men. Junmar Fajardo, Greg Slaughter, and Japet Aguilar. He wants those three in the next edition of the national team.
Alam mo, hindi malayong mangyari yan. We already have the tools. Before, a problem for us is facing or trying to match up against the 7-footers of China. Now we have our own 7-footers and good 7-footers at that. Skilled players.
Free throw ni Jun. Hatid sa atin ng Cebuana Luwilier. Basta pera, ipa Cebuana. Yes, ma'am. Puso talaga ang pinapakita ng ating Gilas Pilipinas as we continue to keep India at bay. Fajardo takes care of both. Balik sa 11 ang abante ng Gilas. We need another big run to take the fight out of India.
Yes, definitely. I think that we are more than capable of doing that. We just need to put the cuffs on these players who's actually hitting their shots from the outside.
Singh Joginder buries that three. Hatid sa atin ng Thunderbird Platinum pagdating sa paluan. Di mauunahan. Yan yung Singh na leading scorer nga nila, no? Dahil 5 ang Singh dito sa India.
Yun nga. Pero hindi na magkakapatid, ha? May status kasi rin pag tinawag ka ng Singh in India. That's the reason.
Anong status yun?
Status symbol.
Yeah. Parang pag tinawag kang Eric Reyes sa Pilipinas.
Mag-umar, John. Pagdating sa sportscasting.
선수교체 필리핀 오버. Substitute Philippines number 5.
L.A. Tenorio, who got Gilas off to that hot start with his back-to-back triples, making his way back onto the floor as Gary David is at the line for 2 shots.
You know, he still has that rhythm on kissing his right shoulder before he takes free throws. And we've seen that time and time again in the PBA.
Of course, on his right arm is si Ma'am.
Yes.
Yan yung buti may bahay, si Ma'am Jen.
The inspiration.
Yan. Gary rattles home that second. Balik sa 10 ang abante ng Gilas. Ikaw, wala ka bang naging mga mannerism pag nag-free throw?
Ginugulo ko yung buko sa harap.
Kaya naman
Kaya na nga Naka-pro-grip pa kami noon.
Bakit si Samboy Lim wala nangyari? Ganda pa rin ang hairdo. Ginugulo din ni Boss Samboy.
Malaki kamay na, di siya nagpa-pro-grip.
Junmar pitches it out. Gary stopping on a dime. Junmar is there to clean it up.
And Junmar is full of energy to clear rebound and trail all the way from the backcourt.
Fast break natin sa atin ng Smart Bro Tomorrow's Internet. And you mentioned it, Junmar has kept Kuya Marcus Douted on the bench.
You know, Marcus is actually just relaxing on the bench and getting ready for probably the second half of action if Coach Chot would need him.
Joginder misses on that one. Bullet dodged there by Gilas. Singh Joginder was wide open.
Looks like Marcus Doughton is going back.
Canada de Ocampo will be trooping to the bench. Look at Kuya Marcus, all smiles. As both coaches have made adjustments to the fives.
You know, we've seen it even in the World Championships. Coach Chot would play, would rest either Marcus Doughton or Andre Blatch, and yung 5 pa rin sa loob is solid. We have to really give credit to the way he has prepared his team with or without, Marcus or Andre Blatch.
Oh, what a spin by Doughton. Japet trying to put it right back. Tumatakbo na ang India. Their main man, Brigavanchi, gets it over to Joginder. Joginder will reset. He locates his open shooter. Grewal misses. Gabe is pushing it hard. Norwood puts his head down, kicks it back out. Gary from the elbow. No. Emphatic rebound mula kay Yadwinder.
Yadwinder came from the outside to be able to try to trace that basketball.
Nice quick spin on the part of Amritpal, but doubted it was right there to bother that shot. LA na naman. Oh, Japet wanted to throw it back down, asking for the foul, finally gets the whistle. Japet a bit frustrated here dahil hindi pa siya nakakapagparamdam ng tuluyan dito sa ating first half.
Well, Japet's been very active on both ends of the floor, especially on the rebounding. It's just that minsan he needs to just settle down to get that confidence. He needs to get into the rhythm of the game. Kaya nagkakaroon siya ng mga turnovers in the beginning.
Paul Lee ibinalik na after he got shaken up at the end of quarter number 1. Nung nasalo niya yung sigo ni Brigavanchi.
You know, Japet is a guy who just needs to settle down and hit yung malaking bagay, yung ganyang mga free throws, because that's going to build his confidence. We know what kind of player and what he can do on the floor.
Japet Aguilar, already a veteran dito sa national team ng Pilipinas.
Madami ng mga pinaglaruan yan, and that's really going to help him, most especially with his style of play.
Pressure in the backcourt being applied here by the guys in white. LA with a hand on it, but they somehow got it across. Pero naka-askembol din naman kagad ang depensa ng Gilas. Grewal bothered by Lee. It's a foot race. The lethal weapon gets that finger roll.
To credit that defense of Paul Lee, anticipation and a good steal.
Magilas move yan, brought to us by Rain or Shine, Elastomeric Paint. Ang pinturang Magilas.
Gilas Pilipinas, napakagaling mag-tumempo kung kailan sila magpe-press. They know that when the guy doesn't see, there's always a guy coming from the blind side to really pressure. Kaya pag pihit mo to look for a pass, you are trapped already on the sidelines.
Ang ganda nung binanggit mo ngayon. Iba yung panaka-naka lang yung press para hindi pa rin nila makuha rhythm nila. Tsempohan mo lang.
Magaling magaling tumiming si Coach Shot because you want to really catch them off guard. Akala mo wala na, and then doon tayo kukuha ng run.
If you do it every single time down the floor, makakahanap ng rhythm yung kalaban, kung gano'n na lang.
Yes, and at the same time, kahit papaano may konting fatigue factor din because you're really working hard. No matter how, in shape you are, magkakaroon din ng epekto yun. But, like I said, maganda yung timing ng kanyang press. That's why it's really working well for Gilas.
LA to a sliding Marcus. Pull-up jumper in the Ubra. Here comes India. They want to be patient on this attack. They want to set up their big man at the post. That's Amritpal. Hindi nga lang masalo yung pasa. Japet to LA. The Barangay Ginebra connection on the run. They go up, and Marcus sends it home.
Pagkalanganin pa nga yung alley-oop kay Marcus Dowdit, but a good pass still.
Cebuana assist natin sa atin ng Cebuana Lawillar. Parang ikaw mismo ang nagbigay ng perang padala.
Tumatawa si Gabe Norwood because alanganin nga daw yung pagkakapasa niya. But composure by Dowdit to finish the shot.
Nice pass to the open corner. Pratham once again makes his pay. Nakakarami na ng tresto.
They're actually passing the ball well and knowing where to locate the shooters, lalo na sa corners.
Kaya si Coach Chot naman ang hihiling dito ng timeout. Very next sequence. As you join us back live on TV5, etong laro na itong ginaganap dyan sa Hwaseong Stadium in Incheon, South Korea. Pagbubukas ng ating kampanya sa 17th Asian Games Basketball Competition. Bumarjan po, kasama natin si Eric Reyes at ang buong puwersa ng inyong Sports 5.
Yun naman pala yung nice play na ginagawa ni Coach Shot.
Cebuana assist natin sa atin ng Cebuana Luwiliar. Parang ikaw mismo ang nagbigay ng perang padala.
It's an excellent play drawn out by Coach Jot Reyes and executed extremely well by Gilas Pilipinas.
India.
Rar with that jumper, trying to quell this rally by Gilas. Paul was trying to locate his shooters and Gabe. Chapet is giving chase. Nagambala naman niya. Itong si Brigabanchi. Gabe kicks that leather away. Yari na to si Brigabanchi. Dalawa na sinaktan mo sa Gilas, in Ping, in Paul Lee. Hindi na patatawarin ni Gabe niya.
Ako, di ko rin siya papatawarin. Nahanapan ko sino kamukha nito eh. May kamukha si Brigabanchi.
Ay, travel. Yun. Yung binabanggit mo, no? Basta Pibarus ang higpit doon sa unang step na yun.
You know, they're actually so strict. So, you know, you got to just like time or una mo talaga muna yung dribble before you make that move.
Pati tuloy ako, tinititigan ko ng Brigabanchi, iniisip ko sino kamukha.
Kaya nga eh, maya maiisip ko rin kung sino kamukha nito eh.
Douthit with that leather, iiwan para kay Gabe. Lee is outside, off the curl. Paul Lee with a pull up. 18-footer doesn't drop. Brigabanchi with that board. 42 seconds remaining dito sa ating first half. Brigabanchi from the elbow.
He's a tough player, Magu. He knows what to do with that basketball. He reads the defense well, and he has a nice pull-up jumper.
Coach Jot Reyes not happy.
Shot, whether mag-zone or mag-man-to-man, just yung offense is flexible, which it can easily find an open guy.
Look at Jeff Chan trying to break free. Gabe down the middle, locates Japet. 2 shots parating para kay Aguilar.
You know, that's the value of that kind of offense. You know, you've got great shooters. You will force the defense to extend out, and one shot fake, you actually break down that defense to give a nice drop pass to guys like Japet Aguilar.
Aguilar will look to stretch our lead back up to 14 points. Babalik pa nga ang bola dito sa India. Fouls to give. Meron pa ang Gilas Pilipinas. Coach Trot doesn't want India to get any clean look at the basket on this next play.
Well, plus you don't really want India to get a, you know, to whittle down the lead na pababa at the end of the second period.
Junmar Fardo checking back in.
Philippines number 12.
Palitan niya si Marcus Douthit. You don't want Marcus in foul trouble. Brigabanchi, they swing it around. 3-pointer on the way. No. Junmar rebound. Enough time. Oh, but Junmar turns it over. Junmar clears it once again. 4 seconds na lang natitira. Sharon's gotta go. We go to Chan. Fly-by move. Diubra. So at the end of the 20 minutes of action, it's a 13-point lead para sa Gilas Pilipinas.
So a nice way to end it. We had still a good chance to attack and make a shot.
So 50-37 ang nasa ating palaan. Walang bibitiw. Meron tayong mga updates at the half. At syempre, yung second half ng bakbakan na to, live pa rin matutunghayan dito sa TV5.